Tron holder. All holders are says to Tron is go in the garbage, but absolutely my brother, all holder is gonna be wrong now because Tron is wake up. Tron will get a very good profit now. So we my brother predicate this coin, video technical analysis, and at the last my brother you better understand can really Tron is a garbage coin or Tron is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Let's get started my friend. This is not a financial video. I just advise you please research personally before you take any decision. But just and only my brother for your information I will tell you my brother to what you need to do my brother. So let's get started our brand video. Kindly a basic channel, one of the unique channel. Today will give you real information, so you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. This time my brother the Tron last 7 days chart is on the screen and 14.1% there will be profit, and you can see here in just in only last 7 days the direction my friend is completely moving upward. Now you can see my brother that's mean my brother to Tron is completely in the profit from last 7 days. You can see a 14.1% there will be profit, the price will be increasing, so that's mean to they will give you a profit in upcoming days. You need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time my brothers to you invest now. Holders don't do any mistake, and please if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this will be very good time. Kindly invest now and wait for the end of this month. I hope my brother at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So if you follow a basic channel, if you are already subscriber, if you already subscribe our YouTube channel, so you do this. Otherwise my brother, you will be completely lost now and you cannot give you get a profit. So if you are new, so kindly subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates video. ABC channel will give you a guarantee to you never lost if you follow ABC channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.